Hey everyone, welcome back to BizChain, where we talk business, finance, and side hustles that can help you build real freedom. Today, I'm breaking down 5 powerful side hustles that can actually replace your 9-to-5 job. These aren't just quick cash gigs. These are scalable, sustainable hustles that can turn into full-time income if you stay consistent. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share which one is the fastest to get started with and the one that has the biggest long-term potential. Side Hustle 1. Freelancing. The first side hustle is freelancing. If you've got a skill like graphic design, copywriting, video editing, or coding, you can start selling your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Why freelancing works so well? You don't need big startup costs. You can build your portfolio as you go. And once you've got clients, word of mouth can keep you booked. The key is to niche down. Instead of saying, "I do graphic design," say, "I design modern YouTube thumbnails that boost click-through rates." That positioning makes you stand out. Freelancing can start as a side gig, but if you scale up, hire a small team, or raise your rates, it can absolutely replace your 9-to-5 income. Side Hustle 2. E-commerce and drop shipping. The second hustle is e-commerce. Selling products online has exploded, and the best part is, you don't need to hold inventory. Drop shipping or print on demand lets you sell items without buying stock upfront. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon FBA make it easy. The trick is finding winning products. That means trending, high demand, but not overly saturated items. In 2025, niches like eco-friendly goods, health products, and AI-inspired gadgets are booming. The potential here is massive. Some people pull in 5 to 6 figures a month once they scale with ads and build a loyal customer base. Side Hustle 3. Content creation. Number 3 is content creation. And yes, it's one of the most realistic ways to replace your 9-to-5. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram allow anyone to build an audience. Once you've got views, you can monetize through ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, even launching your own products. Here's the key. You don't need millions of followers. Even with 10,000 loyal subscribers, you can make $2,000 to $5,000 per month with the right monetization strategies. And the content doesn't have to be entertainment. It can be tutorials, reviews, or education in niches like finance, fitness, or crypto. Pick something you're passionate about, stay consistent, and the snowball effect kicks in. Side Hustle 4. Online coaching or consulting. Number 4 is coaching or consulting. Think about what you're good at. It could be fitness, marketing, career coaching, or even language teaching. People will pay for personalized guidance to achieve results faster. Here's what makes this powerful. You not selling time for cheap. You reselling transformation. That means you can charge premium rates. Some online coaches make $1,000 to $5,000 per client for a 3-month program. And with tools like Zoom, Calendly, and Notion, it's easy to run everything remotely. This can start small, just helping a few clients on the side, but it has unlimited potential if you scale with group programs or digital courses. Side Hustle 5. Affiliate marketing. And finally, number 5 is affiliate marketing. This is one of the most passive side hustles out there. You recommend products or services through your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing. No product creation needed, no customer support. Tons of companies have affiliate programs. Amazon, ClickBank, software companies, even crypto platforms. If you combine affiliate marketing with content creation, it's a powerful 1-2 punch. Imagine making a video about the top 5 AI tools for business, and each tool has your affiliate link. That's money on autopilot. Wrap up and call to action. So those are 5 side hustles that can replace your 9-to-5 job. Freelancing, e-commerce, content creation, coaching/consulting, affiliate marketing. The fastest one to start is freelancing. You can make money this week. The most scalable long-term is content creation combined with affiliate marketing. If you want true freedom, the key is consistency. None of these will make you rich overnight, but over 6 to 12 months, they can completely change your financial future. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these side hustles would you start first? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's tired of their 9-to-5. Thanks for watching BizChain, and I'll see you in the next video.